Now I request our CEO, Mr. Bhartendra Vimal, to take over and say some few words.
Welcome to all celebrating of 8 year of STEM. It is my considerable moment you are here and I am about to present something about our organizations. Remember the day when I had started this company with just a handful of people and a very limited amount of resources. Starting from there till date, the company has covered a long and evolutionary journey. Year back, we had started with the million of dreams, hope, and immense enthusiasm. And today, when we are celebrating another year of its birth, nothing has changed except fact that we had made our dreams true and have the new one now. I have vast exposure of the industry, basically in the inspection, quality, certifications, manufacturing, worked for many companies and visited many countries around the globe. I have gathered knowledge, experience, and courage to establish my own venture with big dream to serve the society and the nation. Since the inception, we have been adding on to the everything we have, the manpower, list of achievement, area we deal in, and even to the enthusiasm and dedication we have for our work and responsibilities. This is obvious and amazing sign for any organization. Our work culture has been even performing meditation on daily basis for a complete cool and positive environments. This positive has been reflecting clearly in our growth rates ever since the beginning. As they say, slow and steady wins the race. We might not have been on the list of the most rapidly growing company, but it has undoubtedly been one of the most steady growing company. My ex and current employees, field staff and engineers, clients, business partners, consultants, friends, and lots of the different friends and consultants has supporting and many more have always been true asset. Without you all, the company would have been nothing. This happy occasion will remain incomplete if I do not raise a toast to you guys. The credit of achieving all that we have, getting a chance to stand here today and talk about all this and being able to maintain the trust of our first customer base that we have goes to nobody else but you people. My ex and current not not every day I got the chance to interact with our client and the client representative, and today is the day when I can thank you all for the work and dedication towards the company. I would like to pour my heart to the current scenario what our nation is facing, where I feel that each and everyone, company, personnel, entrepreneurs, etc., should try to give their helping hand to our nations. Whatever you can spare will truly make a difference. Personal, I would like to thank you all of you from the bottom of my heart. I always follow of the few points of my life Live in the present moment and it's inevitable. Don't see intention behind the other's mistake. Accept the people and situation as they are. The another side I am always working for, keep the goal high. Whatever is done without faith is useless. My focus only on performance, not only on the result. Right and advice can better decision. What is good for you, that is for the. Thank you all for being here with the company in the good times and bad times and showing your patience and support when it was indeed the most. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. I kindly request all to put yourself on mute, please. And now I would like to present a video which will give you a knowledge about your current situation.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओहो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। विजयं साधिस्तां, विजयं साधिस्तां, विजयं साधिस्तां ఒకరోజు। ఓ మనసులో విశ్వాసం, పూర్ణ విశ్వాసం, విజయం సాధిస్తాం ఒకరోజు। ಗೆದ್ದೆ ಗೆಲ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಗೆದ್ದೆ ಗೆಲ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಗೆದ್ದೆ ಗೆಲ್ತೀವಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನ। ಓ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ, ಪೂರ್ಣ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ, ನಾವು ಗೆದ್ದೆ ಗೆಲ್ತೀವಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನ।